actually debating whether or not I wanted to vlog today, but I am going to because I really want to start getting more into just doing like daily vlogs. I've gotten a lot of feedback from y'all saying that you like them. So welcome back. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Up until like 20 minutes ago, I had been wearing my Cookie Monster PJ pants with this t-shirt that is my boyfriend's. I accidentally stole it, whenever I visited him like a week ago. And I was so comfy, but then I was like, okay, I need to get out of the house. I need to go look at some Christmas decor because a page that I follow from a store here in Idaho may or may not have posted that they got a bunch of Christmas stuff, and I'm a sucker for Christmas, so I put on some pants, got my Aviator Nation sweats on, a Aritzia super puff jacket, and we're gonna go out and see what's up. Also, I might get like Christmas gifts because my mom loves Christmas home decor, and maybe I'll like surprise her with something. So first, gotta fill up my water because, you know, hydration is key. I have found the best gummies and things for my breakouts while I'm on my period. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. This product has been such a help. This is from the brand Zit Sticka. This is my second bottle because I've loved it so much, and the gummies are like super yummy. I haven't actually taken mine today, so I'll take one. But so you take 2 gummies daily, and it just tastes, what's the flavor? Forest berry. Definitely tastes like forest berry. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you are a female and you have a period. Holy cow, it is freezing outside. Oh my gosh, also this morning when I woke up, I looked outside and it was snowing. Like actual snow. I'll insert the video because it stopped snowing right now. But the Texas girl in me was freaking out because we never ever get that in Texas, especially so early. Like it's only like the beginning of November. So your girl was very, very happy. Okay, let's turn the air hot in here because it is so cold. All right, so the Instagram page that I saw that has a bunch of Christmas stuff is Mason Blue, and it's in Eagle, Idaho. Let's do it. Drake just released his new album and it is so good. So good. And for what? When I tell y'all that my jaw was on the floor when I walked into the store, I mean it. There were so many cute Christmas things, and if you don't live in Idaho, I would encourage you to shop online or just fly out to come to this store because it was so unreal. There were so many cute little Christmas cards and gift tags. I'm a huge sucker for Christmas cards, so I was in heaven. Also, I picked up one of these little gnomes. I got one with a white hat on, and they're actually handmade in Sweden with wool from there. It was amazing. Such a great experience. Also, this section of apothecary was super nice. I think I smelled every single soap and candle that there was. I also looked at every single puzzle because I love doing puzzles, especially during Christmas time. It just makes it 10 times better. There were a lot of things that I'd never seen either, which is kind of crazy because I feel like I know everything about Christmas decorations, but I found some things in here that actually really surprised me. Also, there were these little cute tissue cover boxes. Adorable.
Oh my gosh. That's so cute.
Isn't that so cute?
Yeah, take me there, please.
Yes, I will. Hold on, I'm gonna give them a haul while I talk to you.
All right.
So I got 2 things from Mason Blue. That's the name of the store. And the girl gave me a 10% discount, which was so sweet because I asked her if I could film in there, you know, just to be like courteous and stuff. And she was like, yeah, like let me give you a 10% discount, which I was like, sweet. And she like wrapped it really nicely too. this, which is a Christmas gift, and I can't say what it is because my mom watches my videos. I know she's gonna look at it. But then I got, actually I don't even want to unwrap it, but I'll insert a picture. I got a little gnome, which I sent Drew. It's this cute gnome, and it's handmade in Sweden. And it came with this little story card about how the fur is from sheep in Sweden. And it's just so, so cute. So, that is what I got. Oh my gosh, it is literally so wet outside. Alright, then I just decided to hit up Anthropologie because, you know, they've got the best stuff, and I found the cutest little snowman glass. Almost dropped it and broke it, but I didn't. And there were a lot of really cute things there, but sometimes I just feel like it's so expensive that I just wait till everything is on sale, you know. But they did have cute stuff. I didn't end up getting anything though. Just finished shopping, and I didn't end up buying anything, which... that's pretty good for me. There were a lot of things that were cute, but I think I got everything that I needed from Mason Blue, and that was all the shopping that I needed to do today. It's kind of late right now. It's 6:17, and I'm getting a little bit hungry. Also, I want to do a workout at home. Okay, let's go home and listen to my favorite song. Burning up the last bit of this pumpkin candle from Bath & Body Works. It is so, so good. Also, I was craving cereal, so I'm having this Trader Joe's pumpkin cereal. The last bits of this too. There's like nothing left. Finally got rid of all their fall stuff, which is so sad. I'm pretty sure because, you know, Christmas is coming up, they've got to get all their Christmas stuff in. But I really, really loved this cereal, and it was like a pumpkin themed one. So we're just gonna eat the rest of this. Then pour some milk. It is raining so hard right now. I have never seen it rain this much here. I was debating on whether or not I wanted to talk about this on the internet, but I probably will just because I already share so much with y'all. Yeah, I don't know. But let me sit down for this because this is like a big talk. So right now I'm on the 3rd floor of my house, and in the middle floor, which is downstairs, is my master bedroom. And the hallway in my master bedroom, there is 3 holes in the ceiling, and I have been dealing with water coming in from them for like a month now. And it's been so frustrating because nobody seems to know how to fix it, and also like it just shouldn't be there. And that's been very frustrating here because like my workout bike isn't turning on because water was soaking on the cords and stuff. And also my yoga mat that I spent like, I'm not even gonna say how much I spent on it because it's obnoxiously large, but that's ruined as well. And so were my wooden floors. Like, it's just really frustrating, and there's just been a Yeti cooler under the hole for weeks. So I'm hoping that it gets fixed. Some guys came over today to take a look at it, but I mean, that's kind of just been like a problem that I'm dealing with here as like a homeowner, and my parents have never ever had to deal with something like that, and they've built homes in the past. So I don't really know what the solution is. I'm kind of just praying that no mold is growing, because that's even like a bigger problem. But this is definitely like, I'm getting my taste of being a homeowner, and there are problems. that happen that you never ever think would happen. That's all. I don't want to bring too much attention to it, but just know like life is not all grand and glorious as it seems as a YouTuber, and I want to be honest with y'all because like this is frustrating, but nonetheless I'm extremely blessed and grateful, and this is so good. Oh my god. I'm gonna do a quick little workout, nothing heavy, because yesterday I went pretty hard at my rec center. But I'm gonna listen to Drake's new album, and yeah, let's do it.
Take my mind and run with you. You shine so bright in your blue suede shoes.
All right, just to show y'all what I was talking about earlier, this is the bucket that has water in it because there is literally a hole right there. And then there's 2 holes up there that soaked my whole bike and my fitness mat. Very frustrating, but I hope it gets fixed because I do not want to have to keep worrying about this. Okay, I'm going to take off my makeup and wash my face and stuff because I want to play some piano tonight and finish writing a Christmas song. So let's take my makeup off together. I found this new makeup removing pad that I really like. Usually I use the Neutrogena makeup wipes, but I've been loving the Clio Microfessional cleansing pads. These are super duper nice. They're like loaded with a cleanser inside of it, so not only does it like remove your makeup, I do use a cleanser separately after this, but I just like how gentle it is on my face. I've got some work to do tonight between actual work like YouTube and then some business stuff. Oh, I do need to take a business quiz actually. Probably I'm gonna do my business quiz before I do my home, or before I start playing piano. Favorite cleanser right now is the Caudalie Instant Foaming Cleanser. This stuff is so good. It's very airy. One of the best cleansers that I've ever used. Face is all cleansed. That felt amazing. Oh, I was gonna shower tonight, but I probably am just gonna wait till tomorrow. So this is the Sachu Beauty Lactic Tonic Resurfacing Essence, and basically it's like a toner. I get a little cotton ball though to do it, so let me grab one. So it's really easy. You just put a little bit on like a cotton ball or cotton pad, and I'm not really sure exactly like the full benefits of what toner does, but it's very, very good for your skin. I am using my Caudalie Cream Moisturizer. This is the best moisturizer ever. I've gone through so many, and even though it's pricier than any other moisturizer that I've ever purchased, it's the best quality for sure. Also tip, whenever you put on moisturizer, bring it down to your neck. Let's go take this business quiz really quick. That way I can go play piano. All right, before I take my business quiz, I'm going to add in the pictures that I printed from Walgreens earlier today into my picture frames. So outside of my bedroom, I'm gonna make a little photo wall, and I've got 9 picture frames with pictures in them. There were just, I think, 3 frames that needed to have pictures in them. So I finally got those printed, and I'm going to put them in the frames. I'll show you all the ones that I decided to print also. And for anybody wondering, these frames are from Target, and I really like them because they're like floating ones. So you can see the picture without having like the whole thing filled up. So first picture is from my Oregon trip, and this is the 7 Trails hike. My friend and I found this super cool waterfall, and we did that hike. And then next photo I have is of Drew and I. We are eating ice cream together. This is us in Fort Collins. And then the last photo is of me in Oregon outside of our Airbnb. This was such a good memory from a good day. Okay, business quiz time. So I'm pretty sure that this quiz should only take about 30 minutes, but it's an open note one, so luckily I take lots and lots of notes in class. I should probably put on my blue light glasses. Much better. Okay, I just finished. I'm gonna hit submit because I've got 13 minutes left. These are like timed quizzes and I had 30 minutes to do it. So let's see what grade I got. I'm so nervous. Anything, I just hope it's an A. I don't care what A it is. I just need it to be an A. Oh, yay! Oh my gosh, okay, 96%. Okay, wait, I'm actually so happy, that's amazing. I'm gonna go downstairs and start practicing some piano. I really have been wanting to get back into my music and all that kind of stuff because ultimately that's what started my YouTube channel. And I just find a lot of joy in singing and doing everything music-wise. So let's go create a Christmas song. I might even throw in some footage as like a sneak peek. Okay, I feel like I do all my outros on photo booth. Oops. Anyways, I forgot to close out this video, but I just wanted to say, what did y'all think of the little Christmas sneak peek? Should I continue with it? Should I throw it in the trash? I genuinely want to know because I don't want to make something that you guys hate. But also, I don't know, I really like it and I feel like it's different from kind of the other Christmas songs that I've done. If you didn't know, I already have 2 Christmas songs out on Spotify. But yeah, let me know. Thank y'all so much for being here and showing up. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Also, get ready for Vlogmas. It's literally coming up so quickly. Okay, I don't want to drop this, but I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Bye. Ciao.